Though some say in ancient Egypt or the Jewish community, the origin is not clearly known. Its total 78 cards are divided into two groups, all of which carry hidden messages called arcana. 56 minor arcana cards reflect daily events and short-term issues, which are also divided into 40 cards of 4 suits of wand, cup, sword, and pentacle, each of which carries number, and 16 court cards of 4 faces, king, queen, knight, and page. Regarding 4 suits, wands symbolize energy to take action, cups are emotion levels, swords stand for thinking power, and pentacles relate to money, materials, and stability. Regarding 4 faces, the king represents commanding power and responsibility, the queen is emotional receptivity, the knight showcases skills and courage, and the page marks learning stage. Regarding numbers on suits, 1 indicates beginning up to 9, which indicates achievement, and 10 represents stage up to the next level. You should know a card in reverse position suggests challenges in each direction. Then, 22 major arcana cards depict a stage of our soul's journey. The Fool, starting a new thing all over. The Magician, showcasing their skills with confidence. The Empress stands for full of love, and the Emperor, active commanding power. The Hierophant guides us towards the right path, while the Lovers symbolize obsessed with certain things. The Chariot embodies diehard spirit toward the goal, while the Hermit seeks truth in solitude. The Wheel of Fortune represents changes to good luck. Justice signifies sticking to fairness. The Hanged Man portrays self-sacrifice for certain cause. Death symbolizes the end of one cycle and new beginning. Temperance urges balanced moderation, while the Devil represents human desires. The Tower signifies shocking change or unexpected accidents. The Star instills hope for impending accomplishment, and the Moon indicates anxiety and fear. Strength is inner spiritual power. The Sun means coming joy. Judgment stands for awakening, resurrection, and reconciliation. The World signifies happiness through achievement and integration with the universe. Since there are so many elements, please repeat this video till each image fully comes down. And by combining all these elements, you can better understand tarot message to you. If you like this, subscribe and join again tomorrow for another life tip.